Good day guys and welcome to the Compuknowledge YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be talking about HTML and CSS as programming languages and why we are using them in web development. Right guys, so first of all we are going to start with the programming language that we call HTML. Right, so what exactly is HTML? Right guys, so HTML refers to a website itself. So let me quickly show you an example. So in this example, we'll be using W3 Schools. Right guys, so everything that you see here, all the elements, all the structures, everything on this page is part of HTML. You can basically refer to this whole website as HTML. Right guys, so that's exactly what HTML is. So it's the whole site, it's the whole website with all of its structures, all of its elements, and all of its styles. Right, guys, so what exactly is CSS? Alright, guys, so please remember that HTML and CSS is two different programming languages. Please don't confuse yourself and think that HTML and CSS is the same thing. Right, guys, so CSS is simply the things that you see on this website, exactly what you see. Right, guys, so you see, for example, that this search bar is green. You can see that this is yellow. You can see the different font sizes, and that's all thanks to CSS. Right, guys, so CSS is your decorative part of the website. Right guys, so it's your font, the font sizes, the font styles, the the colors of your website. Like for example, you can see over here that this color is has like a curve. Right guys, that's all part of the CSS. And even where this where this text is located, like you can see this text has its own position over here. This is all part of the CSS. This is all part of CSS. So guys, please remember that HTML and CSS, they definitely work together, but please remember that they are not the same thing and that they are used separately. Thanks for watching guys, and in the next video we'll be finally starting off with our very first lesson.